not will record at such a times.
This is the third match in a row.
Is that Hopper and Animal? Because I think that's Animal. Yeah, that's Animal.
That wasn't the same guys before?
They look the same, but they're not.
I think his brother is John Laurinaitis.
Oh, what happened to his entrance?
Something better.
So Luffy's just beating up people.
Yay.
It happens.
It's canon.
Like, actually, him doing that was pretty cool. That was awesome.
I wanted to hear his entrance.
It's okay. We'll get it.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Yeah, he's going to have to figure a way to make up some ground. And there's the release. What's going to happen now? I'm scared to ask.
He's so spry.
What? Wait a minute. Where's the champ going?
Okay then.
Oh, outside.
I don't think so.
Life and limb to deliver a huge move. You can practically see the pain in his face right now, thanks to that tremendous move off the ropes. Oh, what a shot! The knee connects again. Oh, launched back into the ring. Leg drop. And he gets back in. Watch the king. Whoa, trying to put him away. King nails it. Sweet chin music. You hear that?
It's so fucking quick.
Oh, here comes the music.
Entrance music at the end.
Oh!
Did it freeze up?
There's some boos out there. There's some boos out there, but
Most of it was cheering.
wasn't it was cheering.